Some people don't like the hair on the body due to hygiene, while some just like the skin smooth and without any interference. It is an entirely subjective choice. When you choose to remove your natural hair, selecting the best bikini trimmer becomes essential for the right product. In this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best bikini trimmer. We made this list based on our personal opinion, 35 models considered and 1 expert interviewed. Before make our final decision we test them through our own procedure. If you want more products information be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At our list number 5. Skitzy Hydro Moisturizing Women Razor. Skitzy Hydro Moisturizing Women Razor is a moistured razor technology formulated for great shaving and bikini trimming at easy convenience. The hypoallergenic moisturizing serum helps to maintain the hydration level of your skin for an extended period. Precis sensor blades are designed in the Epilator, which helps in smooth hair removal without any pain, skin irritation. The trimmer is built as a waterproof tool which can be used both in dry and wet body soothingly. Another advantage of being waterproof is to provide you a smooth bikini waxing without pain. To get a regulated trimming of your body hair, and for maintaining the hygiene level, there is a convertible comb with 4 settings. The pros are: easy to use, convenient, smooth and silky skin is formed. Both the waxing and raising technique of the product is impressive. An expensive product as compared to other shaving kits. At number 4. Braun Women's Electric Epilator. Braun Women's Electric Epilator is a small convenient epilator designed for painless waxing. The electric epilator is a sleek and stylish pen shaped used specifically for the short stubborn hair. 40 tweezers technique works brilliantly in hair removal from the root. Being waterproof, the epilator can be used on wet skin and of course on dry condition. It is recommended to use the epilator over the wet body to get a painless waxing. Bikini line can be waxed with the simple circular tip of the epilator to prevent any skin irritation. No razor bumps are formed as a result. A smart light is installed on the top of the epilator to reveal the hair location nicely. Complete fast charging of 1 hour can make the smart epilator work for 40 minutes continuously. The shaving kit includes a shaving head and a thin waxing cap. Shaver's head works on electric without causing any harm to your sensitive, prone areas. The pros are: stubborn dark hairs can be easily removed. No pain resulting from waxing with this product. Gives a smooth finished skin. And the cons are: it takes more time than regular shaving. Number 3. Phillips Bikini Trimmer. Phillips Bikini Trimmer is a perfect trimmer for shaving and calming your bikini line. Both in wet or dry condition of your body, the cordless trimmer can be safely used. The epilator can work till 60 minutes fantastically with a charge of 10 hours. LED light is fixed on the top of the product as an indicator when it is ultimately charged and ready for use. There are 6 separate attachments for beautiful and fast trimming purpose. Particular rounded trimming head and designated comb are used for excellent results. Micro shaving head and micro trimming head are designed for waxing the sensitive bikini line smoothly. Micro foils are embedded with the micro trimmer for mild shave or trim. A separate eyebrow comb and particular epilator head are also provided with the whole shaving kit. The other bonus components which come accompanied with this shaving kit are a zipped Precis traveler bag, removable gloves, Q tweezers, and charger. The pros are: gives you a happy shaving experience. Convenient to use both on the wet and dry body. A budget-friendly epilator. You can get smooth, healthy skin without any damage. And the cons are: there have been issues noticed with the tiny shaver attachment of the product. Number 2. Panasonic Electric Curved Epilator. Panasonic Electric Curved Epilator is an excellent shaving product designed for women. 4 knives-edged shaving blades, and 4 narrower thin blades are attached with the electric epilator. The underlying motive of these blades is to give you a smooth shaving experience. Separate trimmers for separate body parts are also manufactured, like for legs and underarms. Separate controlled attachment for the bikini area. Power installed in the trimmer is AC 120 volts. You can shave your body both in wet and dry condition because of the powerful 2-in-1 effect, which can give you a pleasant shaving experience. The supple rotating head of the electric shaver shaves off easily and gives you a smooth body part. Hypoallergenic sharp blades which are high in quality never create any annoying rashes or problems for sensitive areas of the body. Small in size, the whole pack is very portable and travel friendly. Cleaning the shaver is very easy with normal running water. A lithium-ion battery is used for fast charging of the electric shaver within 30 minutes. The pros are: stylish design, easy to use, travel-friendly, gives you a softer skin after shaving, and the cons are: it is a relatively expensive product. The razor system of the product is not that effective. Number 1. Phillips Wet Dry Hair Removing Epilator. Phillips Wet Dry Hair Removing Epilator is a sleek designed hair removal tool. Complete removal of hairs from the whole body, including your bikini line, and resulting in a smooth skin is the essential function of this epilator. You can even wax your sensitive skin face without getting any doubts. The whole pack includes an epilator, shaver, exfoliating equipment, and massage equipment. Embedded with remarkable tweezing disc, can work smoothly to cut off the thin hairs rapidly. Spacious gaps between the epilator head are designed to shave off the hair nicely without hampering the sensitive skin. Toggling switch tabs are also found on the epilator for speed settings. A lithium-ion battery is installed for easy charging purpose. Works effectively on dry and wet body. It is advised to charge the epilator before using on the body. The maximum time for charging it is 1.5 hours and can work till 40 minutes without any cord. Manufacturers have taken care of the skincare regime and have provided a rounded massaging tool. After waxing or shaving, if you use the massager gently on your skin, it will improve the blood circulation. The pros are: helps in the rapid removal of hairs. Tweezering thin hairs is very relaxing. Metal-based tweezer and not plastic, so less chance of breakage. It is a budget-friendly product, and the cons are: for thick hairs, the epilator takes time to remove hairs. That's the wrap of Best Bikini Trimmer. Check more user feedback by following description box link. If you found something is missing in this video, leave your comments. Our research team will work their best to give you a fair product review.